Cooking the catfish now. Here. Cast iron pan inside, raining outside. Cooking up the catfish. Looking good. Looking real good there. Very nice. Add a little berry to it. Looking good now. Okay. Yeah, we got a little catfish, rice, hot sauce, a little barbecue sauce on the rice. Like to kick it up. A little beer with it. And nice fire going over there. So, doing all right, man. We're cooking with rice. But I got more catfish in the pan. But yeah, looking good, man. Well, this is not an Italian restaurant. I know you're looking at the tablecloth there. But I am in a New York state of mind. So I'll let you know. Take care.